The state of emergency for St. James has been extended, a necessary security measure to continue the crime reduction progress being made in the parish.
I am making it clear that the Jamaican state protects its people, and the Jamaican people need no other protector than the Jamaican state. And so I want to assure the nation that this administration has ensured that the extraordinary powers given to the security forces are not used in an arbitrary way, but they are used to ensure the enforcement of the law in every area. Of the number detained, 133 persons have been arrested and charged, including 22 for murder. Additionally, 8 persons who were major players in the various conflicts in St. James, who were displaced from St. James, were either arrested or killed while resisting capture in the various operational exercises.
62 less murders have occurred in St. James for the period January 1 to April 30, 2018, as compared to the corresponding period last year. Incidents of wounding are down by 76%, and shootings are down by 60%.
And they'd like to continue along those lines. We are convinced of that, and we intend to maintain a level of presence that can ensure the citizens of Montego Bay begin to feel that, understand that the security force of the state can protect them and provide an environment of law and order and security.
And when you speak to the citizens in Montego Bay and wider St. James, that is what they're saying. They're happy for the reduction in murders, yes, but they're also saying there is greater order in the parish. And that's what people want. People want law, but more than anything else, they want order in their communities. And the state of emergency has created the atmosphere where order has returned.
It is at this time that we must build on the gains. It is at this time that we must build the trust in our citizens, that we must enhance the trust that has started to develop. Mr. President, this is the time at which we make it clear to the criminals that they cannot wait us out. The state of emergency is, as we speak, providing the opportunity for information gathering and intelligence gathering for the dismantling of these gangs and their insidious criminal networks.
Find wanted persons and develop the cases around the main facilitators of crime. We are getting the information required to target the perpetrators, facilitators, and erode the capacity of gangs. There are no more Robin Hoods. There are no criminals, dons who are protecting anybody. The dons who exist, they are raping your daughters, they are extorting your money, they are taking your house and renting it, they are killing you in your sleep. And that must be said clearly. We must speak out against dons.